today I'm gonna experiment with a mask design I've been thinking of, because I'm gonna be teaching school starting in August, and we are required to wear masks, and plus I want to do my best to protect myself as much as I can. And I've been socially distancing these past few months, so I haven't really had to worry about a mask too much because I've been staying home. But little paper ones, they're okay, but they fall apart. Made this style one just to see if I liked it, and it's okay. It's alright, but it's not my favorite. It's not, I mean, it's alright, but I don't know. I don't care for it too much. Even started making one of the little pleated ones. I didn't finish the elastics to do this number, right? And this one's okay too. It's right. But I started thinking about my eyes. If we're doing this whole thing and we're trying to protect ourselves from droplets and saliva, then our eyes are a vulnerable point too. So I started thinking about what I could do for my eyes. So I got a pair of carpentry goggles. I wear these things all the time for working with wood and such as. So, I mean, they kind of form fit. They work pretty good. They're not lensed, so I don't have to worry about it messing with my eyes. And I was thinking about how I could add fabric to the bottom of it to come over my face without being two separate things that would like tuck underneath. So I'm thinking that I'm going to try putting some Velcro, some sticky Velcro along the bottom of it, and then see what's the best fabric to put it on. That way I can just take the fabric off and wash it, and then you can even interchange them. So I'm going to give that a shot today, and we're going to see how it works. And if it does, I'm going to have myself a new mask design, and that's what I'm going to be wearing this school year. So what I got is some safety glasses. Got these for Walmart under $2. And I just like the design of these, but there's plenty of different kinds out there. I got some sticky Velcro that I'm going to use to stick to the goggles. I got some sewable Velcro that I'm going to use to put on the fabric. And I have some old sheets that I'm going to test out different fabric configurations before I start cutting my good stuff. So, first is going to be putting some Velcro on the goggles. Velcro that you get tends to be a little bit wide, so I'll probably cut this lengthwise so I can get it to work. I don't think it matters which type you put on the glasses and which type you put on the fabric. I don't think it matters that much. I'd probably interchange between the two of them so that I can use both sides of it. First, I'm gonna just do a little measuring of how much I would need for the bottom of the glasses. Cut that. And then I'm going to cut it lengthwise, just a skinnier strip that I can use to attach to the bottom of the glasses. This is a problem-solving skill situation. I have no idea if this is going to work. Of course, if it doesn't work, I probably won't post a video. So, right here, starting with so I put my Velcro on the goggles. I'm going to put them on just to see how that works. It works. So far, so good. It doesn't impede anything with the goggles. In fact, it gives it a little bit of a seal along the bottom. That could work. And then that means that my fabric is going to come all the way to right here. Pencil. Just kind of the shape very roughly. Doesn't have to be perfect. On the bottom of the glasses. Fold that in half and cut that out. So now I'd have a little nose bit that would fit there. So I took my template fabric and I put it on top of my fabric that I wanted to use. I used a white Prismacolor, but you can use a fabric pencil as well to trace out the design. And then I cut out my mask fabric to go from there. Now I could roll hem or all this and make sure that it's all nice and pretty, but I'm just going to serge this because I don't have time for such things. I like my serger. So I serged all the way around the edge. I'm going to go and trim the excess threads. It might not be as pretty as a rolled hem, but it serves its purpose and it's a little bit quicker. So I'm going to cut a strip of Velcro. This is a soft one, the loop side, so I need to cut a hook side, and I'm going to just zigzag stitch it onto this. I'm going to try to zigzag it on without cutting, and we'll go from there. Alright, so I sewed my little strip of hook Velcro onto the top edge of my mask. So now I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it onto my goggles. Start with that little nose part. I'm going to put that going this way. I'm going to put this going this way. I measured correctly. It's sticking to the bottom of the goggles. You can use a pencil or something to make sure that it's pushed really good up against the nose. Seems to connect pretty well. Drapes down pretty nicely. So I connected my fabric to my goggles with the Velcro. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, I like this. I like this. Okay, so I don't feel Velcro poking me or anything like that. Fits around the nose pretty well. Now to figure out what to do with this. Alright, so got my goggles. I sewed the little pleats in. Connected the fabric to it via the Velcro. Just cut some strips of t-shirt for the little loops to go around my ears. Didn't hem it, didn't make bias tape out of nothing. I just put strips of t-shirt to see if this would work. So let's see. I got my goggles on. I got my two little loops. Very nice around my ears or around the glasses themselves. This has a little bit of stretch to it, but it does kind of hold it securely around my chin. And all right, this is comfortable. I can talk. There are going to be a lot of teaching videos with me looking like this apparently. We'll go from there. Thank you.